In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add awesome backgrounds to your Steam profile, whether you're new to customizing your Steam account or just looking to refresh your profile's look. This guide will walk you through all the necessary steps to personalize your profile with stunning backgrounds. First, let's start by opening the Steam app on your device. Once you've launched the application, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. Now enter your account name and password. It's crucial that your credentials are correct to proceed smoothly, so double check everything before moving forward. Once you're sure, click on the sign in button to enter your Steam account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. This is where your customization journey begins. Navigate through the platform and explore the Steam community market or the Steam store. Here you can browse a wide array of backgrounds available for purchase. Whether you're looking for something game related or a more abstract design, there are many options to cater to your tastes. To purchase a background you like, simply click on its name to view it in detail. If the design captures your interest, go ahead and complete the purchase. Remember, you can also explore the Steam Workshop for custom backgrounds if you're looking for something more unique. Next, make your way to your Steam profile. This can be done by clicking on your profile name or picture in the top right corner and selecting View Profile. You're getting closer now. Look for the Edit Profile button to access your profile settings. This is where you'll make the magic happen. Scroll down until you reach the Profile Background section. Here you'll have the opportunity to choose the background you've purchased or created. Take your time selecting the design that best represents your personality or gaming style. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This action applies your changes, ensuring your new background adorns your profile when viewed by others. And that's it, you've successfully updated your Steam profile with an awesome new background. By following these steps, you can easily refresh the aesthetic of your Steam presence, making it uniquely yours and appealing to those who visit your profile. Happy gaming and enjoy your newly customized Steam profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more design options, and if you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.